In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can delete Amazon order history in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So you have bought something on Amazon that you don't want others to see. Maybe it's a gift and maybe it's surprise. And now you are asking the big question, how do I delete my Amazon order history? Well, technically, Amazon doesn't let you completely erase orders, but there are smart tricks to hide them. Let me show you exactly how it works. For the method 1, after logging into your account, on right upper side you will see this returns and orders. Click on it and here you will see your all order list. You need to find the item that you want to hidden and then you can simply click on archive orders. It will show this pop-up. You can simply confirm it, archive order, after clicking on it. This moves the item out of your main order list and into the archives order section. It's not deleted forever, but it's hidden from your regular order history, so it won't pop up easily. So there's another method to remove your order by just deleting your browsing history. Even if you archive an order, Amazon might still show recommendations based on it, which is super awkward. Simply go to the account, click on these three lines from right top side and open browsing history. Here you can select a time range like last hour or last 24 hours. You can set according to you and simply click on delete data and make sure you have selected this browsing history, cookies and cached image and files. Select got it. So now no one will get suspicious recommendations from that one order. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel. So while you can't 100% delete Amazon orders, these tricks let you hide them like a pro. So that's how you can delete Amazon order history in just few easy steps.